Hello everyone, I am Abhaysinh Deshmukh, rank 503, UPSC Civil Services Examination 2017. I did my graduation in Civil Engineering from College of Engineering Pune 2015 batch, and after that I started preparing for UPSC exams after a gap of 1 year in 2016, and in 2017 exam I scored good marks to have a rank 503. So I attribute major part of this success to anthropology optional and the guidance I got from Dandeep Academy and Sridhar Dhumar sir. So I scored 290 marks in anthropology with specific study and with less amount of energy focused on anthropology. This optional will be quite helpful for students who are looking for a better optional to complete it in a quick time and with less energy, so that it can be used for GS and essay. I feel that there is a scope for much better score in anthropology. That is, one can easily score 320 to 340 marks in anthropology if he is very well prepared, and if he has known the syllabus very clearly, and if he knows what is to be written for a particular point of the syllabus. And I feel that it is very necessary that before starting prelim study in February or January, it is necessary that you have a clear idea of what you are going to write for mains. So from that point of view, it is necessary that you read and write GS and optional, most importantly optional, because you can get 320 marks if you study it properly. So I had anthropology as my optional. It is one of the easiest and quickest optional to be completed. I remember that when I first took my optional, I took only 1.5 months to read and write the test series. So it was my first reading, and also I gave a test series simultaneously. So I could complete anthropology in 1.5 months. And after that I studied for another test series in prelims 2017, after prelims 2017, and I could enrich the content because I had attended a crash course, similar crash course, which helped me to improve from 120 to 150 for each paper of the optional. So I felt after I gave mains this year, I felt that students should get an opportunity to learn the subject clearly on the similar lines that I had done in June 2017, that is a crash course. I personally feel that there is absolutely no need of a complete course of 2 to 3 months that most of the students do for optional. Anthropology is such an easy subject that you can complete it in 14 to 15 days with understanding if you have a good mentor. Also, you can revise it and read it individually in one and a half month after that. So with that idea, we decided to take a crash course of about 14 to 15 days for anthropology. My experience is that anthropology can be covered in 15 days. Last crash course we had about 10 days. So to make it more comprehensive, we have made it of about 14 to 15 days. I will briefly tell you what we are going to do in this crash course and how it will be beneficial for all the students. Firstly, it will be beneficial for all the students. Like if you are a fresher, this crash course will help you in understanding what anthropology is and what to read and what to write. For example, take an example. For paper 2, we have NMS complex. Everybody writes a similar example in the paper, but if we have a crash course and we take various examples from various students, we can write other examples which are unique, that will make our answers more effective. Also, there is a need for students who have given mains one time, but they feel that they have not been able to give their good performance. So if in that case also students can attend this class and try to increase their score. Then the students who have done class, this course will be helpful for them to revise the complete subject in 14 to 15 days. The course will include discussion for each and every topic. We'll be conducting explanation for each and every topic, and then we'll have a discussion on that is 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. After that, I'll be telling what source you need to read for this and this, because I have made my own consolidated notes. And if consider an example that Neanderthal man we have in physical anthropology. If everyone reads Braintree, almost 90% of students read Braintree for anthropology, but in Braintree we do not have Neanderthal man covered comprehensively. So for that part we can take some points from P. Nath and attach it to the same book. This will help in resource consolidation. That will be helpful to make a concise source before prelims. So when you have a set data, and you have decided that you will be reading only that after the prelims, it becomes easy after the prelims, because after prelims you will be having only 3 to 3.5 months. So that will be easy for students if they have consolidated their sources for reading. After that, we'll also be taking micro notes. Micro notes is a concept we came to know from a senior, Sridhar Dhumal sir. He used to have a book, single book, and in that he used to only write keywords that will trigger what we are going to write inside that in the paper. So that we will also be taking. After that, we'll be also conducting a separate class for reports, case studies, and news clips, which is very important for paper 2. At the end of the course, students will be able to have a single source. Students will be able to revise and read very quickly, and everything will be covered in a span of 14 days. So even the students who are still graduating, or who are still in 3rd or 4th year of their engineering, if they have their PL holidays, they can complete this anthropology subject, a major part of UPSC preparation, before they are even graduating. So that will be very helpful for students who are studying even now. We will be conducting a detailed seminar for this. This is a short intro about this course. A detailed seminar for this will be conducted on 27th of October, 10 a.m. at the ABC Hall of Gnandip Academy. I feel that this course will be very helpful for students who are attempting for 2019 attempt, because they will be able to polish their anthropology knowledge, and also they will be able to complete and keep aside anthropology for prelims, before starting their prelim study. So this will be very helpful course, and I request you to inform this to your aspirant friends and any other friends that are interested in anthropology subject. Thank you.